Unlocking financial success, the power of collective collaboration. Have you ever found yourself wondering why financial success seems elusive despite your hard work? It's a common question, and today we are here to explore a perspective that might shed some light on this. In a world where individual success is often celebrated, have you considered the power of collective effort? Take a moment to imagine the communities abroad, for example in Asia, the Indians or Chinese, where a culture of collaboration and collective prosperity is deeply ingrained. In many Asian societies, the emphasis is not solely on individual success, but rather on the success of the community as a whole. This collaborative spirit is not just about working side by side. It's about pulling resources together, sharing the relevant information and knowledge, and supporting one another in the journey towards financial stability. Now, contrast that with the idea of going it alone, like what many Africans or Malawians do. Without a network of trusted individuals, in some cultures, the fear of betrayal can be a barrier, preventing individuals from fully trusting even their closest relatives or siblings. But what if we could bridge this gap? What if we could find a balance between individual ambition and collective support? The truth is, success does not have to be a solitary journey. Building trust within your community, whether it's a family, friends, or colleagues, can create a strong foundation for financial growth. It's about fostering a culture of mutual support where everyone can thrive together. So, next time you wonder why financial success feels out of reach, consider the power of collaboration, break away from the notion of going it alone, and open yourself up to the possibilities that comes with collective effort. After all, true prosperity often blossoms when we build each other up. If you find this video helpful, please like it and share and follow our page. See you in the next one.